Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Annlisa. So today we are going to do a gold and pinkish cut crease. So that's the look for the day. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I like starting, you can start with your eyebrows or the whole look, whatever you prefer. So I'm going to, what is it called, chana my eyebrows. So I'm just going to draw them. I'm using Davis eyeliner and lip liner pencil in number 3. So after I've just shaped them, I've not yet shade them, so I'm just going to shade them through, and the edges are going to be darker. I'm going to shade a little bit more on the You can go with this, by the way, for someone who doesn't like doing so much on their eyes and think it's too much work. This is just okay, but you want really nice, beautiful looking, you want extra looking eyebrows. So we are going to use a Legal Pro Concealer. Yeah, I'm going to place it here. To clean the excess, I'm going to blend it using this beauty sponge. Okay, so to clean this part, you have to ensure you don't have excess product, because then it will be very hard for you to blend it. And also we are trying to clean it so that your eyebrows look sharp, yani. I'm going to use this beauty sponge or beauty blender to blend the product, the concealer, in. I think they're okay, they're beautiful, so let's just go in. The same product that I put on my thumb here, I'm just going to use it to prime my eyes. I'm going to set the concealer using a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So I'm going to start off. I'm using the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's. And I'm going to start off with this shade, Kenya. And then I'm going to use this brush to apply this shade Morocco as my transition shade. Yep. Then the remaining product that we had on my thumb, still the first product, the concealer in the shade Toffee. I'm going to use that to draw my cut crease. So we are done drawing the crease. The next thing is we are going to, where is it? I'm going to use the same brush that I used to pack this one on. So I'm just going to blend it in also again, just again to ensure that we don't have any harsh lines between the crease and the other part of the eye. So then I'm going to go in with this brush. And I'm going to also use this palette, Glamier, that I got from Dubois. So I'm going to use this shade, this pinkish shimmery shade, and this gold one, to create the crease look. So So we're going to do the same thing on the left eye. I'm done installing applying my lashes. So I'm going to apply my primer on my face, and I'm using NK Makeup Perfection Face Primer. I had moisturized my face using a mixer. Going in with foundation, and I'm going to mix it with number 350. This is caramel and this is deep golden, because this is dark and this is light, so if I mix it, it's going to be my shades. I'll also highlight my brow bone. I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'm using Huda Nemo. Next, I'm setting my face to finish up everything, and I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter. And that's it, we are done. That's the final look, guys.